beginner to n8n and AI automation, you're probably on YouTube, like a lot of people, searching through and watching these kind of tutorials. And although they're great, they don't necessarily show you exactly how you can use these in your life in order to make more money, or how you can use them for clients and help them make more money, and in turn, you make money. And what I want to show you instead is a automation that's had 57,000 plus views and over 4,000 downloads, and it has an average of 5 rating, and that's out of 825 ratings. And you've probably not seen this idea in any of these popular trendy videos on YouTube. And the reason for that is it solves a very small problem for a very small group of people, but you can still make a lot of money by selling this one workflow that is templated. All you got to do is sign in to download it. You don't have to make this yourself. You can sell this multiple times to the same type of people, make money, but then also solve more problems for them to make more money. So this is weekly coffee chats with Mattermost and n8n. What this workflow does is it organizes virtual coffee chats by randomly forming groups of 3 members from a Mattermost channel. So Mattermost is a platform that helps with remote teams who are working together on the same project. So you could go in and you could edit this workflow so it worked with a different software that did exactly that. So once you've used this and sold it to Mattermost clients, and then you are confident with what you're doing, you could then edit it in Claude, and I'll leave a video at the end of this one that will show you how to do that, and have this for a completely different tool that does pretty much the same thing. What it does is it sends calendar invitations through Google Calendar for coordination and announces form groups within a particular Mattermost channel. So it's not spamming all the different channels, it's putting it in a particular channel. Now, this is going to be somebody's job. It might be somebody in HR, for example, that has to organize this, and we're going to automate it for them, which means we're going to save them time, and we're going to take something off their list. But it's going to ensure that we have this team building element going on, which for remote work is really, really important. So this workflow, you want to be contacting HR professional, team managers, remote team leaders. You can find these people on LinkedIn with a very simple search. But all you're doing is you're going to be contacting them and saying, look, I have this automation. It's going to take this job off your plate, or it might be something they want to do, but they haven't managed it yet. Would you like to try it? Give them a 30-day free trial. They're going to love it. And then you can start charging for it. So how it works, you can read it all here, but it basically forms random groups. Then it has the calendar integration, so it sends Google Calendar invitations automatically, so somebody in HR is not having to do this as a job. And then its announcement that posts the group details into Mattermost channel, so everybody is informed of where they've got to be. Okay, so this is massive for teams that have a focus on team building, especially those remote teams or large corporations that want to do this, or HR departments that want to streamline what they are doing. And like I said, this has got over 4,000 downloads. It has a 5-star rating of over 825. And don't think this is saturated, because it won't be. All you've just got to do is do the outreach to find the people. So go on LinkedIn, have a chat to them. And don't worry if they don't have Mattermost. Like I said, you just change it and connect it to a different tool like Slack or whatever they've got. But this solves a very specific, repeatable problem that an HR department will have. And you can solve it for them with an n8n workflow, where all you've got to do is copy and paste it into n8n and then run it for them in the back end, charge them a setup fee, and then charge them a monthly recurring fee. And that's it. So if you want this, go down into the description. I'll send you the link. You can get the link straight to this and to this website that's got tons more of these. Also, while you're there, I've got a newsletter. It shares n8n templates just like this with ideas on how you can monetize it and help with outreach as well. So for that particular workflow that I share every week, it shows you how you can monetize it. If you want to, click the link, subscribe to the newsletter, and you'll get that every week on a Friday. But for now, if you want to learn how to edit these really simply, all you got to do is watch the video on the screen now, and I'll see you in the next one.